All right, let's take a look at this question. We can see in this triangle that we are not given information about one of the angles and its opposite side, which means we can't use the sine law. So in this case, we're going to have to use the cosine law. And because we're looking for the length of a side, we're going to use the cosine law in this format. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times the cosine of angle A. In this case, we're asked to find length of z. Z is over here. We'll let z be represented by a in the cosine law, and this can be b, this can be c, and that means that this is going to be angle A. So let's substitute in what we know. We know that a is what we're looking for, so that's z squared. In this case, b is 45, so it's going to be 45 squared. C is 27, which is going to be 27 squared, minus 2 times 45 times 27 times the cosine of angle A, and angle A is 42. Okay, now all we need to do is get our calculators out and enter this in. Let me show you how you can use your Windows calculator to calculate this. So we're going to start off with 45, and we want to square that. Then we want to add that to the square of 27. Subtract. Now I'm going to put this in brackets because I want all of this multiplication to happen at one time. So bracket 2 times 45 times 27 times cosine of 42. Now because this is a backwards calculator, I have to enter in the angle first, use the trig drop down, cosine. Now I can close off my brackets, hit equals, and I know that z squared is going to equal 948.15802. But I want to know the square root of that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the square root symbol, and I end up getting z equals 30.8 rounded to one decimal place. And the units for this question are centimeters.